Hello everybody, this is Kim Janke representing the Shibboleth lifestyle here in Kennesaw, Georgia. Today I'm coming to you to make a mock Reuben sandwich. Now I don't know much about Reubens because I have only in my lifetime taken one bite of a Reuben. It was actually pretty good and it was recent. And then I had Reuben egg rolls one time and that was recent and they were very good too. But I know that my husband likes Reubens and I saw a Reuben sandwich recipe in the Shibboleth recipe library. So I thought, oh cool, I'll make him a Reuben sandwich, but Shibboleth approved. So I went to the grocery store today and I purchased some things that it said to buy. And I came home and I so proudly said, I am gonna make a Reuben sandwich. She goes, oh, you got corned beef? I said, no, I got roast beef. But so he informed me that corned beef is what you use to make a Reuben with. Hey Billy, and I bought roast beef, but that's what the recipe said. So I changed the name on this live video to mock Reuben sandwich, not Reuben sandwich. Now, if you can find an approved corned beef, that would be fine. I just purchased what was literally written on the recipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this. I have this really cool new Pampered Chef griddle thing. I like it because it makes lines on my bread. You know, it's kind of fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some ghee butter and spread some ghee butter on both sides of the bread. The bread is a category 2 bread. It's the Sara Lee Delightful. I like to make sandwiches with that. So that's what I'm putting face down right here. The next thing that I have, and I already have it in this bowl to make it a little bit easier. And hey Deidre, to show you how to do this, but what's in this bowl is some boar's head sauerkraut. This was the first time I've ever bought sauerkraut in my life. I've never even really eaten it. But anyway, I bought that. And then I have the Walden Farms, the 0 calorie Thousand Island. So all I'm doing is taking the appropriate amount in this 1.5 cup prep bowl from Pampered Chef as well. And I'm just mixing those together. All right. And I also have the Sargento 40 calorie ultra thin slices of Swiss. So I'm going to go ahead and lay that Swiss down on the slices so that that can be melting. And then I'm going to take this mixture here and place it on the cheese, spread it out a little bit. I hope that's not too much, but I did what the recipe said. All right, I think y'all can see that. That looks pretty. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this lean deli roast beef and I'm just folding it in quarters, only because I want to. There's no particular rhyme or reason. I'm doing 8 slices, so it'll be 4 on each side. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let this cook here until, you know, it's grilled. It's kind of like a version of a grilled cheese. I mean, I like to make a pizza sandwich, which is just a really version of grilled cheese. I like to make turkey and cheese grilled sandwiches and all kinds of things. So This is just another version of a grilled sandwich, or it's going to be a mock Reuben. Now I'm going to let that cook and hop off of here, but I'll take a picture of it and post it in the comments, and we'll let you know if it tastes like a Reuben. Hey Sheila, thank y'all for hopping on here with me tonight. And I will see y'all in a little bit, or I'll post a picture, okay? Bye.